All right, Comcast is out, releasing results. Earnings of $1.12 was 6 cents better than estimates. That's a real-time quote you see there. So up a little less than 1%. Revenue of $32 billion, 32.07, also topping expectations. Free cash flow was $3.4 billion. Revenue in connectivity, media, studios, and theme parks all coming in ahead of expectations. And the Paris Olympics generated record high incremental revenue in media of $1.9 billion. Studio revenue grew 12.3%. Despicable Me 4 grossed nearly $1 billion at the global box office. This is partly due maybe to the Olympics. Peacock paid subscribers increased 29% over the year-ago quarter, and quite a few just in this quarter, adding to that. And it now totals 36 million. Net additions of 3 million in the third quarter. And Peacock revenue, get this, increased 82% to $1.5 billion. Studio revenue up more than 12%, and Despicable Me 4 grossed nearly $1 billion at the box office. Some of the same metrics. It looked like there were some ads in some of the businesses, like the broadband and the business connections. Wireless continues to do well. You did see video subscribers again down, but it looked like a smaller number than we've seen.
The media piece was the most complicated piece in a way, because what you saw was actually top-line revenue, which was higher, which you'd think is a very good thing, and yet adjusted EBITDA was lower, meaning even on significant increases on the revenue side, the profit side on the media piece came in lower, and that's where I think there'll be at least those who are following all of this are going to because then it raises the question: if you're going to spend money on sports and you're going to spend money on licensing these other things, can you make that a profitable business?
Yeah,
it has been
continuing to build. That we knew this was going to be an investment.
Right. And not that I barely look at the stock price, but it has been on a bit of a mini rally here from below 40, and this is the first time we've seen 43 in a while, but now it's up almost 2% to 43 and change. Remember, it was much higher a couple of years ago. I think it was up well above, I think it was above 60 at one point.